Namaste, I am Shiva Swati and we are making this video on explaining how to overcome a financial crisis so that you can survive through a difficult financial time till you go back to being into luxuries again. So basically, to overcome a financial crisis, you have to learn to be thoughtless and detached. Something like this is taught in Vipassana meditation camps. How to be thoughtless and detached. It is a continuous practice which you have to practice like cycling. You cannot just learn this by theory or by healing. You have to do this yourself, and you have to learn to focus on your head. This is different from Vipassana meditation. You focus on your head and you ask all thoughts to be silent, and you imagine that you are coming out of water as if you are drowning, and then you're suddenly floating and you're completely thoughtless. So it's a process of floating above financial difficulties, and you can also imagine a smile. So when you are smiling and you are looking upwards, you are not thinking negative for that time, and you are suddenly detached from all your financial problems for that time, even if it is for only 30 seconds or 1 minute. Even then, at that moment, you are breaking an energy circuit of negativity from inside your mind. You are breaking the co-creation of reality of more financial problems by being thoughtless even for 30 seconds or 10 seconds or even 1 second. Start with 1 second, completely thoughtless. You will break energy circuits, and this situation where you are finding yourself drowning in financial difficulties will stop, and you will find that you are receiving help, or you're receiving work, or your expenses are reducing, or you're receiving ideas, so that you can float above being completely drowned in financial problems. For any problem this works. For financial problems it works faster than for health problems. For health problems you usually require past life therapy or inner child healing. Financial problems you can overcome through Vipassana meditation and this kind of meditation. Whenever there is war, whenever there is a conflict in the mind or there is war, your financial problems will rise. Even if you are hoping for war for others, you are hoping that that the humanity may get destroyed. You are so angry with your parents, or you are so angry with your lover. You want everyone to get destroyed. Let everything finish off. I don't care. So in those cases, your own problems multiply suddenly because it all reflects back on you. And whenever you desire war, your own situation worsens. Especially financial situations, whenever you are fueling, even thinking that let there be war, even then your financial situation will dip, or some support will go away from your life, or you will find yourself in unexplainable misery. This happens when you focus on the energy of war. You will find that soldiers are very well trained in detachment and being completely thoughtless when they have to shoot or kill, and they are made to exercise a lot so that they don't think, because being completely thoughtless is a way of concentrating. And when you are completely thoughtless and focus on any target, you are successful in getting it you most of the time. And similarly for financial situations, even you can also have be completely thoughtless, and you can also visualize a piece of paper where you are saying that I am in a financial debt, and you keep passing light to it, being completely thoughtless, and see the death going away and golden light filling that paper, and then you can burn and throw the paper. So I am not into rituals much, so I explain the ritual in a way that you access the feelings underlying the rituals, and so that God accesses what you are doing. The God will only access the feelings. God will not access the exact ritual. So the exact ritual was created only to create the desired feelings. But if you only do the ritual and you don't do the feeling, the ritual is useless. So you have to focus on the feeling of being financially free and create that imagination again and again, and be thoughtless at other times. Do this as much as you can, because it is average dominant focus which works, not just 1 hour of therapy. So average dominant focus has to change from being poverty consciousness to being survival consciousness to being abundance consciousness. So survival consciousness is detachment, abundance consciousness is positive visualization, and poverty consciousness is you're feeling constantly deprived of money because you have so much expenses, or you're not earning, or you don't have a job. So this feeling of being constantly deprived of money that usually goes only by being thoughtless and rising high. You can chant any mantra which is good for positivity or abundance, but do that also feeling positive and not negative. If you feel negative and chant any mantra, you can increase problems in your life, or you can create an imbalance. So you have to be positive and chant mantras, then it works. So that was about financial problems, and you can control this. You can control your mind. Start with what is the next thought. For 5 seconds you will see nothing comes in your mind. So that is control. How will I pay my next bill? Don't let anything come in your mind. That is control. Again, see the bill paid. Feel content. So this is how you do it. And of course you can take therapy for financial abundance, or you can attend workshops. Money workshops help in understanding finances, because finances, like war, is about total detachment. Business is like war. Business and war are very similar. It is about being totally detached. So women complain a lot very often that men don't react, and they always they are not thinking, but that is because men historically have been trained into thoughtless thinking. So when you are a woman, you will be thinking a lot, but if you have been in a past life a man, you will learn to be thoughtless very soon, because whenever you had to go to war, especially when the religion was very strong and you had to go to war, you were taught to be thoughtless. Be completely detached and thoughtless. Forget about all your house worries and only focus on the target. So men are trained into being detached and only focus on the target in the front, and they don't think of this or that. So their minds are not mixed up, and it is good to be holistic. It is good to be mixed up also. It is like solving simultaneous equations all the time. So women's mind are normally holistic and mixed up, but men's mind work on individual compartments, because that is their training from war. So you can't really blame them for being thoughtless, because it is being thoughtless which brings money into your house from the man. That is the crux of surviving the root chakra and the sacral chakra, that you have to be thoughtless to activate these chakra and get out of the grip of negativity. So thank you. I hope you can practice this and this helps. My books all have exercises of being thoughtless. You can also read and apply, and you can attend Vipassana meditation camps. That also helps in learning how to be thoughtless. But focus upwards. Don't focus downwards. If you focus downwards, you can go into emptiness and hollowness and sadness. If you focus upwards, you will move into bliss and calmness. Thank you. Please like and subscribe.